Hey everyone, my name's Ulan, and on this channel I wanna show you guys and share with my experience. So I like learning. I'm from Kyrgyzstan. This is a very small country located in the Central Asia. I am still learning English. This is my not native language. I've been learning English for a while, but despite that, sometimes I can't express myself clearly, and that's my problem that I am facing all the time. But I'm working on it to, improve and get better when it comes to speaking in English. And yeah, so in this video, I wanna share with you guys how I am using the NotebookLM. This AI tool comes from Google. It's a very powerful tool. And so I'm gonna just show you, demonstrate how to use it and why do I like it. And yeah, so let's go. So as you can see, I've got here my NotebookLM. So if you go to NotebookLM, they recently updated this and they added this featured notebooks, and we don't need this. Instead, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create by clicking this black button, create new, or we can go to my notebooks and create here. So as you can see, I have already, let's delete this one for now. I have all my notebooks for now. I have 3 notebooks. What we're gonna do, click on this plus button. If I click on it, this kind of panel pops up. Right in the center, we can choose the file directly from our PC, or we can, drag our, Google Docs, Google Slides, paste the link from website. If I click on it, we can paste here the link from the website that we want to read. And what is cool is if we are watching a YouTube video, for example, let's go to this YouTube video. This is a Cleo Abrams video with Sam Altman. So we can copy the link of this video like this, and we can go to NotebookLM, we can click on YouTube, and if we paste here our, a link from that YouTube video, and if you insert, that creates for us notebook. And also we can, copy text and paste here. But for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, choose the file from my, PC. As you can see, supported file types like PDF, TXT, Markdown, audio, etc. So let's click on that choose button, and what I'm gonna do. Currently, I am reading a book written by Benjamin Graham, one of the most successful investors of all time. Let's go to my downloads page. Here we go. Scroll down right here, and this is gonna be my PDF file. Click open. And what it does is actually this is currently uploading that book right into my NotebookLM, and then what it does is it has gotten this 3 panels. The first one is sources panel. We can, by clicking this add, we can add multiple sources. What do we mean by saying source is the source can be any link or any, YouTube video link or PDF file or whatever document that we upload to NotebookLM. And most of the time we, read in regular chatbots like ChatGPT. We can here ask the questions. We can, add note. We can create audio overview. We can create mind map notes. So, for example, once it has uploaded, here is a summary of that book. Provided text offers an extensive exploration of investment principles, contrasting speculation with intelligent investing, etc., etc. We can copy it. We can save to note. And the third panel is studio panel. It's where we, generate, like we can create audio overview, customize, and we can make it shorter, like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And also it's by default, it's like in the middle, it generates audio 30 minutes long. Here, by typing the prompt, we can specify like focusing only on the first chapter or on specific paragraph, discuss about the same thing we can do here on this video overview. It can generate like 7 minutes, 10 minutes video about this material, and you don't need to, edit. You don't need any external software to edit and make a video. So it completely generates it by itself, but it takes a while, like I think 5 minutes or 10 minutes to generate a video. And yeah, but this is cool actually. And what's cool about this audio overview is if I click on it, it starts to generate audio overview during this discussion, during this conversation. So in this audio, there are two characters, man and a woman. So they discuss this, material with each other. And while they are discussing, there's a button. If I click on it, I am going to show you in a little later. If I click on that button, that button is called join button. And if I click on that button and I can join in that conversation, I can ask them and I can give them questions, or I can get some response and to talk to them and etc. etc. That's really cool actually. That's the power of AI. So for now, it's generating audio. I'm not going to generate video overview because it takes a little while. It takes a longer time. Maybe I will show you in the next video this function. So instead, what I'm going to do is the third function, the third little panel here is mind map. So this is the most, I think I fell in love with this function or feature. How to call it? I don't know correctly. So this is actually generating the mind map. And also you can generate by clicking this button, and you can generate right here. It depends on your preferences while it's generating. Yeah. So it has already generated, and if I click on it, so boom, we've got, and yeah, here we go. So this is a mind map actually, or you can, by creating mind map like this, you can go through the entire material and see what, offers, what kind of topics it contains that material. For example, this is actually a note. Right next to it, it has this arrow, but if you click on it, it opens and it gives you many notes. So for example, this first note is about Benjamin Graham. It's here, this note is about intellectual progress. By clicking on it, here we've got this man graduated Columbia University, Security Analysis Foundation text, etc. All these, notes are related to his lifetime, his, achievements and etc. So here, in this note, all the, decades on Wall Street, all his wisdom, experience, etc. And here we've got the investing philosophy of this author of this book, like investing is long activity, think for yourself. And by, creating this kind of mind map, you can only go to the specific part of that book or a specific part of that material. So you don't have to, waste your time by reading unnecessary material, unnecessary part of that material, book or whatever it can be. You can, by choosing and being intentional about what you're gonna learn and what you're gonna read. So this is actually cool. And here we've got all the, notes. So I'm gonna close. So by clicking this expand all notes, expand button, we can expand to all notes. So it was me, my name is Ulan, and I like just using AI tools, and I have different bunch of, AI tools. Like here, for example, NotebookLM, and here I've got the Queen. Lately, I've been using this Queen. I fell in love with this chatbot, and this comes from Alibaba, Chinese chatbot, and I like this. And also I've got here Perplexity, as you can see. And I've got here DeepSeek, which is also a powerful tool. And I've got Google AI Studio, Gemini, etc. And I can go to ChatGPT, like right here. And yeah, so I fell in love with using these AI tools. So it was me. In the next video, maybe I will talk about learning languages. For example, I learned Russian, and also now currently I am still, working on my English, and the next language is going to be German and French. So I'm not going to stop. I'm going to keep learning languages or something else. Whatever I learn or whatever kind of, experience do I have, I'm going to come here and tell you guys and share with you, make friends around the world. And that's my core idea, core goal. And yeah, so it was me. Keep learning, guys.